This video tutorial is going to be about how to find a domain registrar who basically who's hosting the domain and who is hosting the website. So these are the tools I'm going to be using. There's probably multiple tools on the site. These are the ones that I've come to know and I use quite a bit, but it doesn't mean that you're always going to be able to find every single one. You may have to do some sleuthing on Google, if the data doesn't come up, or but most of the time it's pretty accurate. So the first one we're going to do is 5-Star Roofing. So 5-Star Roofing, copy, paste, and look that up. And you page down to, there's the domain information, contact, and then the registrar information. And in this case, there's nothing there. So there are some name servers though. So you can go to the next one, which is this website, whatsmydns.net, and you can just plug in the domain, then go to name servers, and you can get the name servers there. And if you click on the name server, sometimes there's information that comes up here. Here's a clue right there. So Squarespace DNS. So this website is most likely on Squarespace. And that's pretty much where it's been being hosted to. Very likely that that's the case. All right, so then we'll just document that. All right, let's go back to this. So then the next one we want to look up is Crump Roofing. Look that up. Here's information about the domain, the registrant, and the registrar information that says GoDaddy, which that's true. That's GoDaddy. So that's where the domain is registered. Go back and just say, Crump Roofing. And then to find out who's hosting it, we can just come over here and do another search for the A record. And that really doesn't say anything. So when you click on it, so we'll just copy that IP address, come over here and to this website, which is whatsmyipaddress.com, and you can just put in a IP address there and get the details. And it says the ISP is GoDaddy, so that's where it's being hosted to. So the website's being the website domain, and the hosting is taking place on GoDaddy. That one's done. So next one would be logansmaintenance.com. Let's refresh this. This is back to the domain lookup. And this one is Network Solutions. Okay, that one's Network Solutions. Go back to this. Oh, let's see. Network Solutions. And name servers at WorldNIC. Oops. Nope. No, nothing there. So copy the IP address. Go to the next one. Oops. This says also it's being hosted at Network Solutions. So the website is being hosted at Network Solutions. So just to be sure, we can, sometimes I like to do a copy the name servers and just do a Google search on that. So the DNS is running through Network Solutions. And also it looks like the hosting is there too. So, all right. So that's okay. So let's go to the next one. Next one is 20th Century Roofing. Look that up. GoDaddy. And then the hosting. This says the name server is domaincontrol.com. Those are, anything domaincontrol.com is going to be GoDaddy. So that at least means the DNS is running through there. Oops. So now the A record. Nothing discernible there, so we just copy this and go to the address lookup, IP address lookup. And this says it's also at GoDaddy, so it's likely hosted at GoDaddy. So that's it. I mean, those are kind of the steps you would take to find out who's the registrar is and the hosting, the website hosting.